Today's video will be all about dahlias. I've ordered some new ones that I will show you, and I will start planting the tubers in containers. I absolutely adore dahlias. They add so much color to the garden in late summer, and they come in many shapes and colors, so I think there's a dahlia for everyone. And I couldn't resist ordering a few new ones. So I have a pompon dahlia. This is a white variety called Boom Boom White. I haven't grown this one before, so yeah, looking forward to seeing that in flower. And then over here I have one that I grew last year. This one is called Peaches. It's not a pompon, but it's a bit in between. And it's a beautiful soft pink peachy color. I think it's really pretty, so I ordered quite a few of those. And then I have another pompon dahlia over here, and this one is called Cornell Bronze. It's between orange and pink tone. I saw some beautiful photos of it, so I haven't grown it before. So I'm looking forward to seeing that in flower as well. And then over here I have a water lily variety called Sweet Suzanne, also in a peachy apricot tone. I haven't grown this one before, so again looking forward to seeing that in flower. And then finally over here I have a few ones that haven't been individually wrapped because those are from another supplier. This one is called Breakout. I've grown that for 2 years now. It's absolutely beautiful dinner plate variety. It's quite large. It has a pale yellow center, and then it fades to a beautiful soft pink apricot tone. It's really pretty, and highly recommend growing that one. And then also I've ordered another dinner plate variety, and that one is called Lady Liberty, a beautiful white flower. I haven't grown that one, so also I'm looking forward to seeing that in flower. I completely forgot to mention another one of my favorites, Café au lait, a beautiful dinner plate in a soft pink tone. I absolutely adore dahlias, but they are quite a lot of work. So every year I have to pot them on because I like to grow mine in containers before planting them out into the garden. And that is because our last day of frost is mid-May. This way, if I plant them in containers, I already have established plants that go into the garden, and I have flowers a lot earlier. But it's quite a lot of work. And then at the end of the year in autumn, I have to dig them all up and store them somewhere frost-free, because we do get some frost, but not severe. The biggest problem here is that we have quite wet winters, and the dahlia tubers will rot if I would leave them in the soil, and I don't want to take that risk because they are quite expensive tubers. So that's why I store them. But if you're lucky enough that you can leave them in the ground, that will save you a lot of time. But yeah, let's start planting these dahlia tubers. I'm going to do that on the terrace because over there I can spill the soil and it's a lot easier to clean up. It is still too early to plant dahlia tubers out into the garden with the risk of frost, so I'm going to plant them in containers and place them in a cold frame. This way they can grow on, and I can plant them out into the garden towards end of May, and this way I have flowers much earlier. I'm using a multi-purpose potting compost, and I mixed in some sand for drainage because dahlias hate sitting in wet soil and the tubers might rot. So I'm going to place the tuber in the pots. And I'm using the smallest pot possible because they will only stay in this pot for a very short time. And then add some soil. Give it a shake so that the soil settles between the tubers. This is a dahlia called Café au lait, one of my favorites, so don't forget to label it. And on to the next one. I don't know if you can see it, but behind me there are some jackdaws feeding on the bird feed. They're making a bit of noise. I put a layer of compost in the bottom of the pot and place the tuber on top of it. Fill it with compost. Give it a shake so that the soil fills all the gaps around the tubers. Finally label it. I think this will fit in a very small pot. This one is called Breakout. Another one, yeah, these are all my favorites. But this is a beautiful dinner plate dahlia in a soft pink apricot color. Really, really pretty. Dahlias are prone to slugs and snails. They love to feed on the young green leaves. That is another reason to plant your dahlias in containers first, so that you can easily keep an eye on them and remove any slugs and snails from the pots. Dahlias come in many shapes, colors and sizes. Their flowers in forms of water lilies, pompons, cacti and large dinner plates. Some grow tall, up to 150 centimeters, others only 60 centimeters tall. There's a huge variety in colors, from soft pastel colors like whites, pinks, yellows and apricots, to vibrant oranges, reds and dark pinks. So there's a dahlia for everyone. They flower from July to well into autumn until the first frost hits them. Then it is time to dig them up and store them somewhere frost-free, or leave them in the soil depending on your growing conditions. So this is the last one done. So now I'm going to place them in my cold frame, and then I'm going to water them once. And I want to keep an eye out on them to see if the soil gets too dry, but I don't want to have them sit in wet soil, otherwise the tubers will rot. Finally, I'm watering them and place them in a cold frame to keep them protected from rain and frost. And hopefully within a couple of months I will be able to enjoy a stunning display of flowers. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will end the video with a few bloopers. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Hope to see you next time. They add so much color to the blah blah blah. So I've ordered a few new ones. Nee. I absolutely adore dahlias. I've never, and there's an auto, but I saw it. They're already in their containers. That you can leave them in the soil. But here we don't get a lot of blah 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 blah. And in autumn I have to dig them up and store them somewhere frost-free, and dat was heel veel wind. Dus dat ging ook niet. Last day of frost is somewhere beginning May. Yeah, geen idee. Geen idee. And it will bla 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 bla. Geen idee wat ik ging zeggen. Misschien moet ik daar eerst eens over nadenken. A lot earlier than if I would wait to. Dit slaat echt helemaal fucking nergens op. I'm going to do that on the terrace because it's quite messy. I absolutely adore dahlias. Ja, woef. No. They add so much color and interest. Now I have quite some, wat wilde ik wel zeggen? And then I have to plant them out into the garden. But they are quite a lot of work. En daar was een hond. Oké, dan denk ik. Dan. Ja. Ik denk dat dit wel gaat. And this way I can also... Nee, dat was een auto. Waarom moest er nog een klap ergens komen? It is still too early to plant dahlia tubers out into the garden with the risk of frost. En daar rijdt iets op de achtergrond. It is still too early to plant dahlia tubers out into the garden. Nou, kutvogel. So I'm going to, zeikvogels. Take the dahlia tuber and pop it in. Yo. Te veel. Echt, hoepelen jullie eens op hier op die achtergrond. There's still a risk of frost. So I'm going to... Echt.